Tension in the Middle East are reaching a boiling point. President Donald Trump continues his military threats, surrounding Iran with warship. In response, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei released an 8-minute video titled Allah is Enough, urging Iranians to remain brave and united. Adding to the pressure, the European Union has designated the IRGC as a terrorist organization. EU Foreign Policy Chief Kaja Kallas stated that any regime that kills its own people will face consequences, putting the IRGC on the same list as Al Qaeda and IS. Global powers are reacting with deep concern. Russia has announced it is prepared to evacuate personnel from the Bushehr nuclear power plant due to security risks. President Vladimir Putin remains in close contact with regional leaders to monitor the deteriorating situation. China's envoy to the UN warned that US aggression would push the region into total uncertainty, while Iran's parliament speaker says Tehran is open to dialogue based on mutual respect. The military buildup continues. Is a regional war inevitable? Stay tuned for more updates.